circuit, hoping to break that jinx today. Down into turn 12 then for the second time of asking. Over Rossi, stands at just under 0.8 of a second. Down into turn number 14 for the second time. Marquez won't be close enough to attack the Vizioso through 50, and the Ducati feel intense pressure from Rossi down.
He's hauling him in. He is hauling him in. There is a Vizioso. Marquez is staying pretty close to him.
Vizioso, or rather Marquez and Vinales, is over 2 seconds.
Alexis Marquez gone back.
Option rear tyre.
There you go, that's
Rossi was in hot. Rossi was in hot down at turn number 12, and that almost like sort of sucked in Andrea Vizioso.
Fourth place. Lorenzo, Rossi, Vizioso and Marquez. Only really one Vinales in there as well. Would be a rare old fight, but this is four of the best riders in the world. Around an
Marquez has got third. Marquez has taken third place then from Vizioso. Vizioso not close enough to fight back again. Vinales at the top of the rear tyre. We're about to find out. Still an awful long way to go here. 16 laps and 3 corners for Lorenzo to keep these. Marquez have been able to streak away. Marquez got in hot at turn number 16. He got slipstream behind Rossi, and that slipstream carried extra momentum and extra speed into that penultimate corner. He just
now on the rear wheel of Marc Marquez's Honda as they come through that reverse course. To turns 10 and 11, these two fast enough to give him back that World Championship lead past the famous aragon wall to the right, turn 14, 15 coming up the bridge.
9-8. That was quicker than Andrea Vizioso last time.
Around. Here comes Marquez up the inside of Rossi. Oh, it's gone through parts.
He's not going back. Surely, no, there's no way. There's no way.
The crowd loved it. We loved it. But he didn't do nothing to do. Vizioso thinks about it, decides against him, trying to get up the inside of Marc Marquez at turn 16. It's exactly what Marquez did to him earlier, to retake third place and retake the lead. Marquez now really closing up on Valentino Rossi. How is that right leg feeling?
I think that start was miles an hour down this Aragon back straight as he got the legs on Rossi's Yamaha. No, not quite this time around.
Thought about it, we ride with Valentino Rossi. Marquez up the inside at turn 16. Marc Marquez has moved into second place.
Another personal best of a 1:49.5. Last time around, Mark, that was to go here in Aragon.
We ride with Marc Marquez. And 11. Marquez draws up alongside him to this difficult left-hander. Here he comes at turn 12.
He's in a bit hot though, but he'll have the inside line for 13. Marc Marquez then leads the Aragon Grand Prix for the first time. Has Jorge Lorenzo got anything left in the tank, or has Marc Marquez, who's had by far the superior pace over the last 4 or 5
contrasting conditions when he won in the rain in Misano. There he is, half a lap to go for Marquez. This black, this will be his 5th Grand Prix victory of the season. And without a doubt, it's the most important so far.
Back in Spargo, equalling a Aprilia's best ever Motogp result in 6th to Vizioso.